In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a panel in Confluence. Panels are a simple, effective way to make important information stand out on a page. Whether you're flagging a warning, sharing a tip, or calling attention to a keynote. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can add one confidently and make your content easier to read. First, open the Confluence page where you want the panel to appear. This could be a page you own, a team page, or a shared project space. Make sure you have permission to edit the page. If you see the content but can't make changes, you may need editing access from your space admin. Once the page is open, click Edit. This switches you into the page editor where you can add or update content. Give the page a moment to load the editor fully so all formatting tools are available. Inside the editor, type a / followed by the word panel. So, wow, panel. Confluence uses / commands to insert macros and components quickly, and this is the fastest way to find the panel options without digging through menus. From the suggestions that appear, select the panel or the info panel option depending on what you see. Both will insert a styled block into your page. If you're presented with multiple choices like info, note, success, or warning, pick the one that best matches your message. The goal is to visually align the style with the importance and tone of your content. With the panel in place, add your message inside it. Keep it concise and scannable. For clarity, consider starting with a short label like note or tip, followed by the key details. This helps readers quickly understand why the panel is there and what action or takeaway it suggests. If the editor provides style options for the panel, choose the one that fits your purpose. For example, use info or note for general guidance, tip for helpful best practices, and warning for risks or urgent items. Make sure the style you pick complements the surrounding content and doesn't overwhelm the page. When you're happy with how it looks, publish the page. After publishing, review the panel in context. Check that the color, icon, and text size make the message stand out clearly without distracting from the rest of the page. If it's not prominent enough or too loud, go back to edit, adjust the style or wording, and publish again. That's it. Your panel is live and ready to guide your readers.